Hi, I'm Harish Rikandan.
Hi, I'm Yuksri Harira.
Hi, I'm Akshasri.
And we are Raga Pasaga. Today, we are going to talk about the solar system.
Wow!
Then what are we waiting for? Let's start. The solar system. Our solar system is located in the Orion Arm, which is 26,000 light years from the center of the Milky Way.
Our solar system was formed about 4.5 billion years ago. Gravity pulled a cloud of dust and gas to form our solar system.
Our Sun is in the center of the solar system, which is orbited by 8 planets, trillions of asteroids, comets, and few dwarf planets. Planets are divided into 2 categories: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are called as the terrestrial planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are called as the Jovian planets.
There are 2 belts in the solar system, the asteroid belt and the Kuiper belt. The asteroid belt is located between Mars and Jupiter. The Kuiper belt is located at the edge of the solar system. The most known object in the asteroid belt is Ceres. The most known object in the Kuiper belt is Pluto, Makemake, Haumea, and Eris.
Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, which is slightly larger than our Earth's moon. Mercury is 58 million kilometers far from the Sun. 1 year Mercury equals 88 Earth days. Mercury doesn't have any moons or rings. Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Venus doesn't have a moon or a ring. It is 108 million kilometers from the Sun. Venus spins in the opposite direction, which means the sunrise in the west and the sunset in the east. Earth, our home. Earth is the largest planet in the 4 rocky planets. 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water. Earth is the only planet which has life, has 1 moon but no ring. Earth's atmosphere is mostly made of nitrogen and oxygen. Earth's ozone layer protects us from incoming meteors. 1 year is 365 days. 1 day is 24 hours. Earth is 150 million kilometers far from the Sun. Mars, also known as the Red Planet. Mars is a dusty and cold planet with a thin atmosphere made up of carbon dioxide. Mars has 2 moons but no rings. 1 year in Mars equals 687 Earth days. Mars is 228 million kilometers from the Sun.
Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. It is a gas giant made of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter's familiar stripes are actually cold, windy clouds of ammonia and water. Jupiter's iconic Great Red Spot is a huge storm that is 2 times bigger than our Earth. It has been raged for hundreds of years. Jupiter has 75 moons. 1 year in Jupiter is equal to 12 Earth years. The distance between Sun and Jupiter is 778 million kilometers. In 1979, the Voyager system discovered Jupiter's faint ring system. Saturn. Saturn is the most unique planet in the solar system. It is the only planet with a ring made of chunks of ice and rocks. It has no solid surface. It is a massive ball of hydrogen and helium. Saturn has 53 moons. It is 1.4 billion kilometers from the Sun. 1 year in Saturn is equal to 29 Earth years. Twice every 29 and a half years, Saturn will appear ringless. Uranus. Uranus is the first planet found using the telescope. It is known as a sideway planet because it rotates on its side. It is an ice giant and it is 4 times larger than our Earth. Uranus has 27 moons, 13 rings. Its atmosphere is made of molecular hydrogen and atomic helium and a small amount of methane. Uranus is 1.8 billion kilometers from the Sun. Neptune is an ice giant and the outermost planet in the solar system. It has 14 moons, 5 main rings, 4 ring arcs that are made of clumps of dust and debris. 1 year in Neptune is equal to 165 Earth years. Most of its mass is a hot dense fluid of icy materials, water, ammonia and methane. There are 5 dwarf planets in the solar system: Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Haumea, Makemake. Pluto is a dwarf planet. Pluto has 5 moons. In 1930, it was declared as a 9th planet. But in 1990s, his status was questioned. In 2006, IAU defined the term planet and Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet.